It looked easy when he did it.
Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Grand Design Transcend 321BH. But before we get started, don't forget, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification icon so that you can see what you want to see for the 2023 model year. But let's get going. Starting on the outdoor space, I would definitely recommend this floor plan if you're looking to spend most of your time outside. We have a few things that are really awesome, including this great awning here that's giving me some lovely shade. It really helps a lot. I enjoy that there's not a slide on this side of the camper, and I like that we have dual entrances so that if you have guests around the campsite, they can stop in for a drink or even go to the bathroom without having to go into your private bedroom. And I really enjoy that you have an outdoor kitchen on this floor plan, which let's check it out. We all know what it's like to cook steaks or even hamburgers in a pan inside your camper. It can get a little smoky, so it's really awesome that they give you this option for outside, especially on a beautiful day like this one. And they even give you this little mini fridge so you can keep beverages inside and really keep your exterior doors closed to keep all of that AC in there and ready for when you're done for the day. But let's go inside. Here we are on the inside, and right when you step in, you will see your control panel. Again, everything's easily labeled and even connects to your phone. And I really like that little cutout cubby they added with all those little hooks. So you've got sort of a mud area there and even a small place down at the bottom for extra shoes, but that's just a plus. Let's start talking about this entertainment space here. I love the open floor. We have this slide that really pushes everything out of the way. We have the theater seating that is a plus on a rainy day, and a sit-in booth that doubles as an extra sleeping space, but I'm not sure you'll need it with all of the beds in this thing. A few things I wanted to mention are these windows. They both open side to side. We're getting lots of airflow, and I like these shades more than the pull down shades, because when you have wind coming in and out, these are a little bit more porous, so you can get that wind going in and out without the shutters slamming the side of your window every 5 seconds, and you get your privacy at the same time. But let's look at the kitchen. You get a pretty decent amount of prep space here as your countertop goes all the way back into this corner. There's even space and a plug for a coffee machine. We do have our regular single inset sink that is pretty large, and I like the matching faucet with a removable faucet head. As far as storage, we've got plenty of storage for plates and cups, and even some for pots and pans down here. And next to our fridge, we have a small pantry option. Or maybe not so small, but it's very big, I would say. Big enough for a family-sized container of cereal. Next, we have our fridge. This is an RV fridge, so I really enjoy how you close it and it stays closed when you go down the road. And down below here, we have a storage area and another drawer that you can buy inserts for if you want to make it into a pet bowl area or whatever you need to store. This is a great place. Moving towards the back of the camper, we can't forget about our entertainment space. This is a smart TV on a swivel, so they do add those in pretty standard. But move back here into this secret room. In this room, it could be a sleepovers paradise or maybe your guest's private quarters, whatever you need to use it for. You've got 4 really nice sized bunk beds, of course some smaller than others if we're talking about adults. We also have plenty of storage, a wardrobe option, and even other drawers around, and it even has its own bathroom. Now, it may only be a half bath, but it definitely helps when keeping your guests and your kids out of your bathroom late at night or any other time when you're trying to sleep. But let's go check out the main bathroom. This is a nice sized bathroom for this model. You get the double entryway that gives you plenty of space when you're washing your hands or someone else is wanting to get in the shower. You do have a really nice sized shower with a built-in door, so that's also really awesome. And you have a little bit extra space for towels there on the side as well. We're not lacking in storage, so we've got places for towels, extra supplies, toilet paper, and everything. So you got all your bases covered here, and it's so close to the master. Last but definitely not least, the bedroom of this camper. We've got a regular queen size bed, 2 wardrobe options, 1 on each side with mirrored fronts and open shelving above. And don't forget about all the extra storage that's below this bed. And this is a great place to enjoy your view from your second entryway while you take a nap. And you've got a lot of cross airflow because I can feel it coming in now with this screen door shut. So This is like your home away from home, so if you have any questions about this or maybe any other models for the 2023 line, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to give us a call or visit us online at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.